What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyata here, and today I have another banger for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this lock, knot, bob. So if you'd like to see how it's done, keep on watching. So the first thing you want to do this style is create your part. If you want a side part, if you want a middle part, separate it out like so. But for this particular style, I'm going to be doing a side part. So I'm going to make my part like so. So I'm going to do this in sections, and what I'm going to do is separate the hair, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and start at this section here. I'm going to take the rubber band off. I have a good idea of where I want it to be. But if you like to keep a reminder, you can keep the rubber band on here. But I'm going to take it off. I just move this up. And so it helps to have it sectioned out because you know exactly where each part is going to be. So to do this style, basically what you're doing is two-strand twists. If you watch my videos, y'all know how to do two-strand twists. Y'all know how we starting off to the left. So this lock crosses over to the left and we twist, okay? Twist, two-strand twist to the left. We can twirl as we twist just to create that beautiful rope look. So we're actually going to twist this all the way down to the end. To do the perfect two-strand twist, what you want to do is start off twisting to the left. Just like so. You twirl and twist. Twirl, twist. Twirl, twist. Twirl and twist. Twirl and twist. Twirl and twist. Twirl and twist. Now the purpose of twirling and twisting is to create this pretty rope effect, okay? That's why we twirl as we twist. The majority of this style is basically just two-strand twists. So you just have to do your two-strand twist. You can do it in sections like I'm doing, or you can do your two-strand twist all around your head and then do the technique that I'm going to be showing you guys. So I went ahead and done all of my two-strand twists off camera, and I just added a rubber band at the end of each one of these two-strand twists. Now as we are doing our little knots at the end of these two-strand twists, we're going to be removing the rubber band and using the same rubber band. Now one of the things I want to let you guys know is when you're doing this and you do your two-strand twist, don't put the rubber band on really tight. I didn't wrap it around tight at all. Just make sure that it's loose and you can remove it very easily, because there's no point in using another one. We can just use the same rubber band that's at the end of each one of these two-strand twists. For this style, you want to line each one of your two-strand twists up with the other knots as closely as you can. Okay, so what I've done is I just come down and I kind of gauge it. So I think I wanted to start here. I wanted to line up with these ones. So what I do is literally take out, once I take the end of the two-strand twist out and I know where I want my knot to begin, this is the method that I found works best for me, and it actually looks better as well. So the next thing that I do is take one lock and I begin to wrap it around the hair, twisting upward, okay? Very reminiscent of a barrel roll. Twisting upward, just like so. Now as you can see, I twirled this lock around this two-strand twist to the right. So now I'm going to take this one and I'm going to wrap it to the left, okay? So I'm going in the opposite direction so that the locks will kind of overlap each other, if you will, okay? Just like so, wrapping it around, and it'll overlap the other lock and they will meet at the top. Doing it this way is better because you don't have to put the rubber band down the entire knot, okay? You can just focus on putting the rubber band at the top of the knot where the two lock ends meet, and it actually looks better. see, there is a rubber band here, a clear one, but as you can see, there's no rubber band all around the bottom, okay? So what I'm going to do is measure. I want my knot to start here. So what I'm going to do now is take out the end. Take the rubber band off, just like so. What I'm going to do is take a lock, and I'm going to start to wrap it upward. And I'm wrapping it up the 2-strand twist, okay? Very reminiscent of a barrel roll. And if you notice, I am twisting this to the right, okay? So just twist it up, all right, until the end, just like so. All right, then I'm gonna take the next lock and I'm actually gonna twist it in the opposite direction, twisting to the left, okay? And I'm gonna be twisting it and wrapping it up the lock, okay? Over top of the first lock that I just wrapped up, okay? Now, these two lock ends meet in the middle, right here at the top. They will meet at the top. One of the reasons that I like to do the knots this way is because I like to focus the rubber band at the top of the knot. I like that using this particular technique allows me to just secure this knot without suspending the rubber band all the way down the knot. Because the point of this is to minimize the visibility of the rubber band. You don't want to be able to see the rubber band a lot, okay? So that's why I do it like this. You can see it a little bit. Now these are clear rubber bands because the hair here is red. So I will not be using black.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Oh, yeah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me. Baby make you follow me, I go give you all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want more. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video with all of your friends and family with locks. Any locticians that you know seeking lock styling inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyata here. Peace.